and doing different activities.
I like it because we do activities and we talk with English.
It's the third time I come here for helping people, these girls and boys from primary, and it's funny, this activity, and I'm very happy of helping them.
It's funny,
I love English.
interesting,
It's important to work.
to know people.
We use English for jobs,
Travels
to go abroad,
and new different people.
English is more or less the most important language, and you can visit another countries and you can talk English and the other persons understand you.
I think that English is useful because almost all the works that exist today needs English to speak with other people. And if, for example, you travel to Dublin, for example, you will need English to communicate with the people.
La veritat és que és una activitat on participen la pràctica majoria dels centres de Viladecans i que permet això, disfrutar, fer una activitat més relaxada, fent-la en anglès i per tant practicant les activitats que fan al llarg del curs. Els idiomes són molt importants en general a tota la vida i cada vegada més s'estan incorporant dintre del currículum moltes activitats per facilitar l'aprenentatge. En aquest cas, l'English Day és una manera de reflexir aquesta feina que es fa i de fer-lo també d'una manera divertida.